Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to withdraw from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the official support website. So to withdraw tokens to your bank account, so withdrawing tokens from your Phantom wallet to directly to a bank account involves a few steps. You need to use an exchange that allows you to exchange your tokens for fiat currency like USD, euros, and then withdraw that fiat to your bank account. So the first step is to choose an exchange. Select a cryptocurrency exchange that supports the token you wish to sell. Make sure the exchange is reputable and available in your country. So this is the first step. If you don't already have an account on the exchange, you need to create one. So the second step is to transfer the tokens from Phantom Wallet to the exchange. So once your account is set up and verified on the exchange, just open your Phantom Wallet and select the token you wish to transfer and use the send option to transfer it to the exchange deposit address. So if you are sending any token other than Solana, Ethereum or Matic, you need to send the token to the exact token. So the third step is to sell your tokens for fiat currency on the exchange that you have chosen that is reputable in your country. So this is how you withdraw from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.